got like 5 degrees. With that, I need more. I've been doing that with some extended control arms here. Right there. A little dirty, they're used. Putting them back on. Got extended tie rods to fit front control arms. Rear poke. I'm gonna fix that. Start by getting this bitch off the ground. Alright. See how she's sitting pretty now. It's about factory ride height. Oh. JDM spikes.
That's a big wheel. Oh man, what's that? What's the width of that thing? 5 inches?
Rotors, custom warp, big brake kit, triple piston, slotted, custom rust. That's right. Already get to see it. The size it is. That's right. Torque to spec. Where do you find it? It'll just Alright, we got that shit out. Kind of. Got that bolt out, so she's kind of flopping around. She's going. Alright. Gotta pack our shit. Gotta return to home camp. I need my fucking socket. And my goddamn. Need a 10 millimeter wrench at the residence and the Hyundai. What do you know about it? It's a Genesis limited edition, basically. Got the what you need. Got that, and we got a 16 quarter wrench and a tiny ass fucking breaker bar. Oh my god, there's a fucking car there. Oh man, we're scraping, frame banging right now. And the Genesis coupe, by the way. Genesis coupe's not. Man, little big rig, man. That's a big rig. He's rolling too. Got somewhere to fucking be. He's got quota to meet this week. Doing some WRC to get to our destination here. Check it out. This is WRC Washington State. We're in the finals, qualifying, whatever. What the hell was that? Alright, so I got all these bolts out in here, but we got this control camber, whatever the fuck they are, these things. Gotta take those out next. Basically, what's going on here? Got the control arm out. This thing, it's standard. Got extended control arm as shown before. Had to rig something up here. Got the jack on a fucking 4x4, whatever the fuck that thing is. Holding the fucking tie rod up in there. Check her out. And this is what you want. This is what you want right here. This is OSHA approved. Amazon floor jack, pro lift, two-tone, Nardo gray, ruby red, something, not ruby red, whatever. But this shit is working, buddy. Look. That's what we're here for. Alright, update. She's on. This is what we're looking at.
tilt in the front, straight in the back. It's still goofy looking.